Toy Monkey. Star Wars BB8. So adorable. Ta-da! Hi there. It's a USB cable, a charger, and the robot. Its head attaches using magnet. Let's charge up BB8 so that we can play together. Hey BB8, are you ready to have some fun? Do you like ice creams? BB8, do you know what's inside the door? Are you trying to open the door? Where are you going? This way! Come back! Red. Can you guess what I am making with red Lego blocks? That's right! 1. Number 1. Green. This time, let's try to make number 2 with green Lego blocks. Two. Number 2. Blue. How many blue Lego blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Three. Repeat after me. 3. Number 3. Yellow. And lastly, guess what I'm making with yellow Lego blocks? Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks for watching. See you next time.